In this video, you'll learn how to add a credit card on Taskrabbit. By the end of this tutorial, you will successfully save your payment information for future bookings. Begin by booking your tasker. Fill in all necessary tasker details, including the service you require, and choose your desired date and time for the task. Once you have entered all the information, look for the button labeled Select and Continue and click on it. This action will take you to the Confirm Details page. On the Confirm Details page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You should see a section titled Payment Method. This section is where you will input your credit card information. If you do not see this section, ensure you are on the correct page and that you have completed all previous steps. Next, enter your card details in the provided fields. Start with the card number. This is a 16-digit number typically found on the front of your card. Make sure to enter it without any spaces or dashes for accuracy. After entering the card number, move to the expiration date field. Here, you will need to input the month and year in the format MMCY. Following the expiration date, locate the security code field. This 3-digit code, known as the CVC, is usually found on the back of your card. After entering the security code, look for the country drop-down menu, click on it and select your country from the list provided. Make sure to double-check that all entered information is correct before proceeding. Once all your card details are entered, find the button labeled Confirm and Chat at the bottom of the page. Click on this button to save your card information. Your card will now be saved for future use and your booking will be confirmed. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your task is successfully booked. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.